Hi there, I'm Michelle Lubon, Community Education Coordinator at Chalk Children's. I'm here today to talk to you about keeping children safe in and around water. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, I don't have a pool or spa, so my kid's okay. But what we want you to know is that children can drown in as little as 2 inches of water, as long as it covers both their mouth and nose. So everyday items in our lives, such as a toilet, a tub, buckets, doggy dishes, children can drown in. How you protect your child from a drowning hazard depends on the age of the child and the water source. For example, drowning among children under age 1 typically occurs in the bathtub. Before you place your little ones in the tub, make sure everything you have is at your fingertips. And please don't depend on baby bath rings as a substitute for parental supervision. Infants can become trapped under them. Speaking of parental supervision, never leave a child unattended in the bathtub, not even for a couple seconds. Don't leave to go answer the phone, to check on dinner, to open the door. This is not the time for multitasking. It only takes a couple of seconds from your attention to be diverted away for a child to slip under the water and drown. Now let's talk about one of the greatest drowning dangers facing children under age 5. That's pools and spas. Let's face it, water is everywhere, and it's very attractive to a young child. It excites all of their senses. It's cool to the touch, it makes a neat sound when it laps, and it looks like a big shimmery jewel when the sun hits it. These factors, along with curiosity and a lack of fear, attract kids to water. That's why it's so important to have safety features in place and learn infant-child CPR. Preventing direct access to your pool is critical for keeping little ones out of it when you're not around. The best way to stop your child's access to the pool is to have multiple barriers in place. Four-sided isolation fencing that goes just around the perimeter of the pool, needs to be at least 5 feet high and climb resistant. Pool covers. Automatic pool covers tend to be easier for owners to use and are therefore used more consistently. Self-closing, self-latching devices on gates, doors, and windows leading to the pool area. Make sure these devices are out of your child's reach. Lastly, in-water pool alarms and mesh fencing can be used to keep your child out of the water. Of course, nothing is more important to water safety than adult supervision. Adults need to make sure that they can continually see and hear children around the pool. One adult should be assigned the water watcher role. The water watcher's sole responsibility is to have continuous contact with children in the pool, with absolutely no distractions. Kids should never enter the pool without knowing who the water watcher is. This should teach children not to swim in the water unsupervised. We often think of water as life-giving, but water can also be life-taking, leading to a devastating tragedy. But a tragedy that we can prevent with supervision, preparation, and barriers of protection. For more information and to get a full list of safety tips, please visit the Chalk Children's website.